Hello PHP lovers, I'm Shokin. Welcome to this fourth tutorial, and in this tutorial we will talk about PHP Variable. So let's start. First of all, go to our XAMPP folder, which is located on the D drive, htdocs, and here we have already created a project named first code. Let's open up this folder, and the index file is existed here. And in this tutorial we are going to learn something new topic on variable. So now we will create a new file here in the same project folder, and let's give the name of the file called variable, and dot the extension of PHP. That's it. And I have already told that the index file will be automatically detected by the server as the startup page, but others file will not be automatically detected by the server. So in that case, for the file variable, we have to mention it on the browser address bar, and later on we will see how to do it. And let's change the name of the project. We have already written our first PHP code, so in this tutorial we are going to learning something new called variable, and furthermore we will learn something more about PHP. So considering all things, let's give a proper name of the project. What can be the name? Give the name learning underscore PHP, and remember that you cannot use any space character to provide the name of the project folder. So we renamed the folder from first code to learning PHP, learning underscore PHP, and this is our new name of the project. And same, when you will create a file to write code in PHP, you can't use any space character to give the name of the file. Now let's open up this file variable. Type the PHP Start Tag. By the way, don't forget to run your Apache server. I have already forgot to run it, so let's run the Apache server. That's it. Now type the PHP in tag. Before starting our main topic, let's talk something about variable. Now, actually, what is variable? Simply, the variable is a container for storing some information. Now let's start and see how to declare or create a variable in PHP. It's better to say how to create a PHP variable. Because of that, in PHP we don't need to declare any data type like other programming language for creating a variable. We need to just put a $sign first, then the name of the variable. For an example, we are going to create our first variable in PHP. So the method is to create a variable is put a $sign first, then provide the name of the variable. Suppose here I will give the name txt, that's mean text, and as I said that in PHP we don't need to declare any data type for creating a variable, like whether it's a string type variable or integer type variable or float type variable In PHP, we don't need to declare it. Actually, PHP automatically converts the variable to the correct data type depending on its value. So let's put some information in this variable, like put a string and give hello world semicolon. So here our variable txt, that's mean text, will be automatically converted to the correct data type. So here I am storing a string in text variable, so this variable will be automatically converted as a string type variable. Let's declare another variable like called a, and here I put a integer. Same, here I didn't declare any data type for creating the variable called a, and the variable will be automatically converted to the correct data type. That's mean it will be automatically converted as a integer type variable. Now let's declare another variable called b, and here we store a floating point number. For example, 1.67. So that's it. This is the process to declare variable in PHP. Now let's run the code. For running the code, follow the same process. Open up your browser, type localhost, then provide the name of the project folder. In this tutorial we have already changed the name of our project folder, so the new name is learning_php. In our previous tutorial we saw that we didn't need to type furthermore after providing the name of the project folder, because the server was automatically detecting the index page as a startup page. But today we are working on a new file called variable, and server cannot automatically detect it, so we need to mention it on the address bar. So what's the procedure? The procedure is, after writing the name of the project folder, put another slash and provide the name of the file which you want to run. So our file name was variable.php. That's it. Hit the enter button. See, nothing is happened because we didn't write any command to print anything in browser. So let's learn how to output a variable in PHP. We have already learned that to print anything in PHP we need to use a function called echo. So similarly here we also use the function echo, then pick a specific variable to output the data of the variable. So first of all we print the variable a, so write the name $a, save, go to the browser, refresh the page, see the variable data is showing here. Similarly, if you want to show the data of the variable b, type b, refresh the page. See, the data of b is showing here. Now if you want to show something extra information with the variable, in that case, what's the method? So let's learn it. For example, I want to write a message before printing the data on in the variable text. First of all, I need to type the message what I want to show before the variable txt or text. So let's type the message. This is the text variable, and it's a string type variable. The variable data is now we need to show the variable data. So in that case, the process is, after finishing to write the message, we will provide a dot symbol, then provide the variable. Now the variable will be printed with some other extra information. So let's save it and run the code. Run means refresh the page. See, here showing the message. This is the text variable and it's a string type variable. The variable data is hello world. Pretty simple. And this is the process to declare a variable in PHP and output the data of the variable in PHP. And that's all for this tutorial. See you in our next tutorial. Thank you.